Welcome to Python 3 Beginner 8 Exception Handling. What is exception handling? Catches errors, avoid hard crashes, good for user experience, commonly occur when dealing with user input or file I/O. Try and accept can surround anything. Only use around things that can fail. Syntax is as follows. Try this stuff here, except do this if any of the code in the try failed. Example 1. Create a tut8.py load a text file called blah text. This doesn't actually exist. Try to open the blah file and catch the exception and print out the error message. Okay, we're gonna do that. We open the window, define main, next line, try, next line, space, f equal open, blah.text. Comma r, close it, next line. For line in f, print line strip. Open a flash in r, close it, next line. Print f that close parenthesis. Except, pay attention, this is very important. Except print the file was either not found or unable to be read. Close. Next line. If name equal main, next line, main parenthesis WQ, enter. Python 3 tut8.py. The file was either not found or unable to be read. You see, this is how we're going to do rim blah.txt. New files inserting hello WQ. So we go to slides. Finally, optional comes after exception. Will always run the block of code. Syntax, try do a stuff, except do this if try fail. Finally, always do this. This session was so easy. Example 2, add a finally keyword to your try except output exiting. We go back there. We type that in. We go down. The end of that line, next line, finally. Next line. Print exiting. WQ hello exiting. rm rmblood.txt enter python 3 tut8.py. So as you see, the file was either not found or unable to be read exiting. Thanks for watching. Now it's important we don't have hard crashes in our software. We can use try except for more than just outputting error messages. Thanks for watching. In the next video we're going to talk about modules. Feel free to leave questions in the comments, but please Google it first. And if you couldn't find it in Google, I'll try to answer all of that. Thank you so much.